Good morning, everyone. Oh, they're coming out. Happy, jolly, and enjoy going to the river. Fly high yung iba. Oh, hello. Si Titit to. Yan si Titit na. Lonely is the night. And lonely is the day. Oh, may nakita nga na. Pagkain ng mga itik-itik. They're enjoying bathing, swimming, everything in the river. Gala na yung iba doon. Yung iba papuntang left. And then, yung iba naman doon papunta sa right. Yung iba naka-standby mo dito. Banda. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. May nakita akong wants to mate. Okay. So now, napakawalan na natin sila. Going everywhere na sila. Gala mode na today. So, samahan niyo ako guys, mamulot ng itlog. So, check natin yung itlog nila kung ilan na ba. First thing we do is to get a tray. Get a tray. Okay, it's a tray. Okay, may nakita na tayo dito banda. Oh. Merong. Okay. So, it's a good thing to remember that ang itlog nila guys ay hindi palagi. So, depende yan sa kanilang kondisyon. And sometimes it's seasonal. And sometimes it depends upon their condition. So here, okay, wala. Oh, hindi pa tayo sa ibang dako guys. So yung iba guys, hindi yan nila na lalagay sa pugad. Ayan ito. Pag hindi siya nalalagay dito sa uhay, yan. Hindi nalalagay dyan, medyo ano siya, dirty siya, may lupa. So, okay, hindi natin maiwasan yan kasi minsan din nila nalalagay dito sa uhay. So, we have here, tatlo. Okay. So, lipat tayo dun sa iba. So, meron din dito guys. Yun. Ito pala guys, gumawa tayo ng ganito kasi mahilig din sila parang manok na papasok sa bahay-bahay. So, we have here. So, just enjoy guys. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment of blessing. Dahil hindi palagi ang blessing andyan guys. So, make the most of today, especially when there is a blessing. Be thankful in every way. So, without the blessings, be content anyway. So, if there is the blessings, be happy anyway. So, that is guys, the essence of life. So, we have here. Itong bahay-bahayan na to, madilim sa loob. So, meron ding laman, guys. Okay. Meron tayong nakitang tatlo. Tsaka dito. So, ang video medyo makulimlim, guys, dahil medyo dito na part ay sulok na. Nasa sulok na tayo. So, this time we completed one tray, guys. So, thank you, Lord, for this. Thank you for today. So, we check if we have more than one tray. So, we start now for another tray. Okay. Another tray. We have to fill it up. Okay. So, guys, remember that in every way, you have to be thankful, you have to be grateful, and especially if there is a blessing, that is the moment you enjoy the moment. Because not every moment you have a blessing. Blessing comes if it is the right time to pour. Okay? Blessing sometimes depends upon your effort. Depends upon your effort, and sometimes blessings come in a season. Okay? So, just enjoy every moment with or without a blessing, guys. Okay? So, I have to check for. Oh, this is the eggs of itik-itik. Oh, here. I have to take a look if there is something here. So, Titit is here. Titit. Titit yan. Si Titit ko yan. Nagmamarites si Titit. Anong ginawa ko? Titit, yan. Help, Titit. Titit yan. Okay. We still have here. Doon. Meron pa ba? Okay. So, guys. After the long wait, for your information, we have waited so long before this egg arrives to us. Before this egg arrived to us, we have waited so long, and the long wait is over. So, here, still have here. Titit, hello. Okay, nothing here, nothing there. Titit. Uy, nawala man si Titit ko. Here. Nothing. So, we have to count how many, guys. So, guys, here they are. Here we are. We have collected 56 pieces of eggs. So, it's almost two trays. Two trays is equivalent to 60 pieces, and we are almost there. We are almost there. So, this, guys, out of 100 pieces of ducks, female ducks, having the capacity to produce eggs, now we have 56 pieces. So, if all the female ducks having the capacity to produce eggs will produce now, so we will expect 4 trays of eggs. So, soon, if it will happen, we can harvest more. So, that's all, guys. Thank you for today, and advance grateful for another day. So, thank you for watching.